Hello everybody, I wanted to give you a quick update on a part I added. I moved my QuadLock off of my handlebar mounts because it was shaking around a little bit, even with the vibration dampener sometimes loosening the USB cable a little bit. And it's harder to see when the handlebars are moving when you're trying to do your maps. So I bought the mirror mount for the QuadLock, and I got this gherkin from A1F Racing that I'll put a link to. And I attached the clamp QuadLock to the mirror mount instead, and it works much better as far as staying in one spot, and the cable stays plugged in, and the USB cable goes on the side right here, which is nice, and everything's secure. And I'll come on around on the other side, and you can see it how it mounts in there. And I have my cable. Let me turn the light on. That might help. See my cable running down and around. Yeah, so works much better.